In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add files to your GitHub repository and create new files directly on GitHub. This is a useful way to manage your project files and documentation. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel and select the repository where you want to add or create a file. Once you're inside the repository, click the Add File button near the top of the file list. To upload an existing file, select Upload Files from the drop-down menu. You can either drag and drop your files into the upload area or click Choose Your Files and select them from your computer. Once your files are ready, click Commit Changes to upload them to your repository. If you want to create a new file directly on GitHub, click Add File again and select Create New File. In the File Name field, enter a name for your new file, including the appropriate file extension. Then, enter your code, text, or documentation in the editor below. When you're finished, click Commit Changes. Confirm the action by clicking Commit Changes again. Your new file will now be saved and available in your GitHub repository. And that's how to add files and create new files in a GitHub repository. Thanks for watching.